top 7 Android text editor for web development. As we've all have known, coding with the mobile phone is not something new anymore. I will specially list out all the text editor that we can use with our Android to code and receive the same result like we are making use of our system. Please, something we must note is we can only run HTML, CSS and JavaScript using these text editors, so you running backend technologies like PHP, Node and ASP.NET with these apps needs extra config. Let's dive in. Encoder is a mobile coding IDE especially designed to hone your coding skills on mobile. It is a complete package to learn and comprehend the programming languages from a wide range e.g. from C to Ruby. It includes rich text editor supporting syntax highlight and packed with all the necessary tools required to give you all the edge an IDE or code compiler can give. The compile process is made through cloud APIs. That means that these features aren't available without internet. Not only you can code, you can debug the code to see compilation errors and result on the same screen. It's more like port of your favorite code editors like Notepad++ or Sublime Text with compilation power. Quadcode editor. Quad is a sophisticated and easy-to-use source code editor or IDE, much like Notepad++, TextMate or Sublime Text, with integrated support for SFTP/FTP servers and cloud storage, Dropbox and Google Drive. Other features include downloading URL source code, code completion, auto-encoding detection, brace matching, auto-indentation, line bookmarking, color picker, HTML formatting, and even more, many of these unmatched by other Android IDEs or text editors. If you want to code productively away from your PC, Quad is a must-have, allowing you to carry a text editor and IDE like Notepad++, TextMate or Sublime Text in your pocket to code when on the move. QuickEdit is a fast, stable and full-featured text editor for Android devices. It has been optimized for both phone and tablet. It's of high performance and real-time feedback on large text files, more than 10,000 lines. The speed and responsiveness is very good if you compare it with other text editor apps on Google Play. It can be used as a text editor or code editor for normal text files and programming files. It will automatically detect the character encoding of your files, but you can still change it as you wish. QuickEdit allows you to access files from recently opened or added files collections, FTP, Google Drive, Dropbox and OneDrive, and has syntax highlight for more than 40. Android HTML editor helps you to write code. It offers an auto-completion support for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, LaTeX, PHP, SQL and Pro version. It supports modern technologies. It offers an auto-completion support for HTML5, CSS3, Query, Bootstrap, and Angular. It supports FTP. You can download a file from the FTP server, send a file to the FTP server, and browse directories on the FTP server. It allows previewing web pages and application, allow you to get a quick preview of your web page in an internal viewer. You don't need to open a browser. The integrated viewer has a JS error console. With Encoder you will significantly increase your coding speed, compared with a usual notepad. Our code editor free is an integrated development environment, IDE, text editor, code editor for Android. Our code editor offers many features to enhance your performance while you work. Download and edit files from many sources, SFTP, Dropbox, and useful autocomplete and many highlight themes. Ideal for tablets, cell phone and other Android devices. No account or internet connection required, excluding Dropbox and SFTP. Just download, install, run and start coding. The code files will be managed locally on your device. Our code editor supports code folding, live syntax checker for a couple of languages, cut, copy, and paste functionality, search and replace with regular expressions. Turbo editor, simple, powerful and open source text editor for Android. Built following the latest Android guidelines to make the experience the most intuitive on the phone but also on tablets. Droided is a text and source code editor similar to Notepad++ or QuickEdit for Android tablets and phones. Take your work everywhere with this application. Code while you're waiting for the bus or when you're relaxing in a nice beach. I don't know why someone would code on vacations, but whatever. Don't rush to your office if you receive an emergency call asking you to change some code. Just pick your mobile phone and edit everything you need. This app supports emit tools, expand simple expressions into full-fledged HTML code automatically. The ad-supported version has exactly the same functionality as the paid version, except it doesn't have SFTP support, Dropbox support, custom themes,